Science fiction has finally arrived. All because Elon Musk is opposed to a sustainable civilization based on solar panels and electric gates. Why is there such a huge deal about the Megafactory now that it has finally happened? Will this new $1 billion facility change the course of history? Tesla's enormous factory is on exhibit. Tesla has finally spoken about his massive factory after years of speculation. Elon Musk is no stranger to creating mysteries. Tesla has constructed its most extensive energy storage system, which can run on green energy, whether through new industries or new technology. It will be generated by solar and wind systems and will supplement traditional energy sources. This astonishing megafactory, which is roughly the size of a Walmart parking lot and can create an infinite supply of electricity, could support a small city. This information was shared on the company's official LinkedIn profile. The film depicts all of the jobs and operations that take place within the factory. Despite Elon Musk's desire to go into great detail about how the facility works, reports suggest that it can produce 25 megapack modules the size of shipping containers every day. The confirmed capacity of a single megapack is 3,870 kilowatt hours. This is ridiculous, given that the factory was built in 2021. Tesla's Nevada-based gigaplant generated megapacks and Powerballs, but the business could only build 4 gigatons of energy storage. While this is a significant quantity, Elon Musk's ludicrous demand of 40 gigatons per year exceeds it. Worldwide, megaprojects were immediately planned in Hawaii, Mexico, California, and Nevada. Furthermore, Australia improved and accelerated its current processes. This gigantic endeavor assisted Musk in realizing his vision of a sustainable future while also assisting other businesses and small towns. Elon Musk continues to inspire individuals all across the world, whether it's the general public or other businesses motivated by Musk's efforts to construct a more sustainable world. Other businesses have devised strategies to reduce non-renewable resources. Eastern European states, for example, are now part of a huge European grid. They travel to Norway from Turkey. Furthermore, because this bridge is linked to others, any failures here will have an influence on the overall service. One of the companies, Engine, built up a few decentralized hubs to decentralize everything. Second and third were shortly accessible as a result of how well appreciated this arrangement was. It was recently determined that this company's capacity would soon be around 60 megawatt hours. As a result, the Balkan oil fields will soon have battery backup. As a result, Elon Musk is packing a lot of punch into the megapacks. It helps to decentralize the load and supports the current grid. Musk would prefer that the country experience a tolerable level of darkness as a result of the blackout. Southern Australia will suffice to demonstrate the point. Southern Australia has ascended to the heavens as a result of their meticulous effort. It is also the reason Hawaii was able to discontinue the use of coal for energy. It emphasizes the critical need for these grid systems, which is expected to grow rapidly. Musk is looking for immediate results. He cannot afford to wait years to achieve the 40 megawatts per aim. He intended to conduct 2 or 3 large battery farm operations each year. More will come, but he has already made some valuable, free space available at the Nevada Gigafactory. Musk believes that in order to create the most advanced energy systems possible, we should combine all of this with solar power and power barriers. Powerful walls have power. Tesla has long supported the concept of power walls, especially given the various explanations provided by its owners. The East Coast was battered by a hurricane after Fiona, but the owners believed they could quickly get all of their equipment back online. The data from Puerto Rico astounded the entire world. According to the data, Tesla provided uninterrupted power to 44,000 residences in Puerto Rico. Following that, a second occurrence occurred on the island in 2017. A cyclone wrecked it, destroying all of its electrical systems. In Puerto Rico, there was no other option but to contact Tesla for assistance. Problems can always be solved, and Tesla is the solution to the majority of technological challenges. As a reaction, Tesla was happy to give them with energy goods. The answer provided by Tesla has substantially improved Puerto Rico's situation. Large storms continue to hit the region, but there are procedures in place to deal with them. Tesla erected power barriers to safeguard over 44,000 houses. In Puerto Rico, solar panels are linked to the Powerwall network. As a result, Puerto Rico's emergency battery system is flawless. Even after the construction of energy storage solutions has commenced, Tesla is only in charge of a portion of the system. More businesses are beginning to recognize its advantages. New decentralized power grids will push the technology forward. Tesla's future plans, taking everything into account, including the expansion of its Gigafactory. For the time being, Berlin served as the starting point. In Berlin, the machinery is already paving the way for the factories. More than 170 acres of forest have been cut. Despite the fact that it is a large plot of land, Tesla has no objections to it. The company already owns approximately 740 acres of land, the majority of which is planted with pine trees. This is taking yet another significant turn. How can we expect a large corporation to meet its output targets without utilizing legal means? Tesla quickly felt the consequences of court battles in which individuals accused the corporation of chopping down trees. Tesla, on the other hand, won the court case and agreed to plant more trees to make up for the losses it had previously suffered. Tesla has recently been granted permission to expand the size of its factory. To boost manufacturing, the necessary approvals for a train station, a kindergarten, and various logistical regions were required. Tesla intends to increase battery output at the same gigaplant. The downed trees hint at something. The factories will be operational soon. They will shortly lay the groundwork for the factory and construct the necessary foundations. Tesla may declare that it has officially launched the facility in a few weeks. Will the Gigaplant influence global events? Tesla began building on the Gigafactory west of Sparks, Nevada, in June 2014. The name Gigafactory is derived from the word giga, which is short for billions. The Gigafactory may begin operations as soon as a piece of it is completed and may expand as needed. The present structure comprises a foundation of approximately 1.9 million square feet and an active area of approximately 5.3 million square feet. They are dispersed throughout several floors. The Gigafactory is now only about 30% built. They had already been completed. According to Tesla, it will be the world's tallest tower and will run entirely on renewable energy. The structure is designed to produce no net energy when it is completed. In addition, the corporation intends to install solar panels. In terms of output, this incredible Gigafactory battery manufacturing complex beat all other battery manufacturers in 2000. Tesla, according to KWH, produces more batteries than all of its competitors combined. It demonstrates Tesla's invincibility. This is only the start. Tesla's battery cells will be substantially cheaper once the Gigafactory is operational. Economies of scale and creative production are the culprits in waste reduction. Because everything would be manufactured under one roof, the corporation would suffer much more. Tesla is on a fast track to market supremacy. Battery prices will fluctuate, potentially affecting the world's move to sustainable energy. Elon Musk continually demonstrates a strong skill set and a clear vision for a more sustainable society. We are confident that he will be successful soon. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.